Imagine this. You're in the middle of an intense workout, music pumping, and your tablet is right there with you, guiding every move. From tracking your progress to offering personalized workout tutorials, the right tablet can be your ultimate fitness companion. It connects you with a community of like-minded enthusiasts, motivating you to push your limits. Today, we're diving into 5 upcoming tablets set to launch in 2025 that promise to elevate your fitness journey and enhance your overall lifestyle. Holding the #1 spot is Apple iPad Pro M3. First up, we have the Apple iPad Pro with the new M3 chip. This powerhouse is expected to deliver unmatched performance, making multitasking smoother than ever. The Liquid Retina XDR display is rumored to be even more vibrant, offering true-to-life colors and enhanced brightness. With promotion technology, scrolling and animations will be incredibly fluid. Battery life? Apple typically pushes boundaries, so we can expect all-day usage, perfect for creators and professionals alike. Ranked as #2 is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Next, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. This tablet is likely to feature a stunning AMOLED display, ensuring deep blacks and rich colors that enhance your viewing experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it's set to handle demanding apps and games with ease. Samsung's focus on productivity continues with S Pen support, making it ideal for note-taking and creative work. Battery performance should be robust, keeping you connected throughout your day without worrying about running low. Ranked as #3 is Microsoft Surface Pro 10. This 2-in-1 tablet is expected to feature a sleek design and the latest Intel processors, ensuring top-notch performance for both work and play. The high-resolution PixelSense display will provide sharp visuals and touch responsiveness. Battery life improvements are on the horizon, allowing for longer usage between charges. Plus, with Windows 11, you'll have access to a full desktop experience on the go, perfect for professionals. Ranked as #4 is... Fourth on our list is the Lenovo Yoga Tab 14. Known for its unique design, this tablet offers a built-in kickstand, making it versatile for both media consumption and productivity. The display is expected to be vibrant and immersive, ideal for watching movies or playing games. With a strong processor, it's designed to handle multitasking with ease. Plus, the battery life is rumored to be impressive, catering to users who enjoy extended usage without interruptions. Last but not the least, #05 is Google Pixel Tablet. Finally, we have the Google Pixel Tablet 2. This device is set to integrate seamlessly with Google services, enhancing your smart home experience. The display is expected to offer vibrant colors and a smooth refresh rate, perfect for media consumption. With Google's focus on AI and machine learning, performance will likely be optimized for everyday tasks. Battery life should also be solid, making it a reliable choice for users looking for a capable tablet in a compact form. Thanks for watching our rundown of the top upcoming tablets in 2025. Are you excited about any of these devices? Let us know in the comments which tablet you're most likely to buy. And if you want to learn about the best budget iPhones, check out my other video linked right here. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and reviews.